did this and lost weight like crazy in no time. Very quickly, I'll share with you the recipe and tell you how to go about it to get that amazing result. So the first thing you need is ginger. I use 3 thumb sizes of ginger. Ginger is very powerful because it helps to reduce the amount of fat your gut absorbs, that way preventing fat accumulation in your system, causing belly fat and weight gain. Very powerful. Plus ginger is very thermic, to heat up your system, to burn fat. Like, this turns your system into a fat burner, like a fat burning machine. You tend to burn fat and lose calories so fast. I love me some ginger, and what you need for this recipe is 3. So this is something you're drinking for a week. You are not consuming all the 3 thumb sizes at once, so you want to watch this video till the end. Plus ginger has anti-inflammatory properties to help you with that bloated big tummy and have it all down. Yeah, the second ingredient I use is lemon, because of the citric acid, which inhibits the accumulation of fat in your system as well. Plus it melts down fat, boosts your metabolism, and you tend to lose your calories fat so fast. So this is equally very powerful. So what I use is 1 lemon. You want to peel and slice up, take out the seeds. Very good. This will boost your system, boost your immune system, and leave your system so active to be able to burn fat so fast. That is why you see so many weight loss ingredients with lemon, because of the citric acid, which is very good at burning fat and preventing fat accumulation. This black pepper helps you absorb, your system to absorb this so fast, so which means it stimulates your recipe to make it work even faster. Plus black pepper is thermic, to heat up your system as well, to be able to burn fat so fast. So what you need is a teaspoon of black pepper. Yeah, not a lot, a teaspoon of it for the whole week. So make sure you watch till the end. Very thermic and good for fat burning. Now pineapple, very powerful as well, because of that enzyme bromelain, which helps to break down accumulated hardened fat waste in your system. You know, the bromelain in pineapple, most often people boil their meat with pineapple, so your system easily absorb the meat, because meat is something that is hard for your system. So that same bromelain helps to break down those hardened food stored up in your system, waste, toxins, making you always gain weight, sluggish, and like have your system flush everything all out, and you tend to be so active, healthy, lose your calories, and get your body all nice and in shape. Yeah, so this is a quarter size of pineapple. You divide your pineapple in 3 portions. You need 1 portion of it. So this is either grapefruit or orange you can use here. So if you don't have grapefruit, you can use 1 orange. They are all good at facilitating digestion. They contain the citric acid as well, to help you break down fats in your system. I just love me the flavor of grapefruit. That is why I always go for even oranges. They smell good and help with digestion. So whichever you lay your hands, orange is a very good substitute for grapefruit. So you can choose whichever you can lay your hands and have this all, like get all the amazing benefits in your body and lose your fat so fast. So this is what you want to do. Slice this up into good tiny little sizes, and you're good. Yeah, so this is it. Plus this brings in a beautiful flavor in your drink and make it so yummy as well. So 1 lemon or 1 orange. So the next thing you want to do is to get a blender. Put your ingredients in the blender. That is the quarter size of pineapple, the teaspoon of black pepper, your 3 thumb sizes of ginger, 1 orange or 1 grapefruit, 1 lemon in the blender, and you want to blend this up. Very, very powerful. Yeah, so once you put everything in the blender, add in 1 cup of water. Add in 1 cup of water so you can blend and get enough juice from the ginger as well. So you need some water to blend the juice from the ginger, and equally give this some quantity. This will give you half a liter. Once you blend, you will get half a liter for this for the entire week. This is so powerful, guys. So blend and get a sieve. So once you get a sieve, you want to like get the juice out of these. Yeah, you want to get the juice out of these. This is so concentrated and powerful. You don't want to drink it like just like this. And so I will share with you how to consume this for proper benefit throughout the week. Like this is for 1 week. Yeah, plus you don't want to throw that raw fish. Don't throw it. If you watch my videos, you know I don't throw my raw fish. I don't throw the fiber. I always just store it up, add in my smoothies, and just have everything so powerful. This is very fat burning, so don't throw it. So this is this is the fat burner kata drink. You want to transfer in your half a liter. So this is half a liter. So I'll transfer it in half a liter for the entire week. You want to get a liter that has a you want to get a container that has a lid, so you protect it for 1 week. Yeah, you can store in your refrigerator, cool area, and have everything all nice for the whole week. So now this is how you consume this every day. Early morning, after your meal in the afternoon, like throughout the day, you want to be drinking your tea. So the tea of your choice: mint tea, peppermint tea, green tea. Just go for any healthy detox tea. This is green tea. You can go for mint, peppermint, all those healthy metabolism boosters, like those teas that are healthy, green leafy teas. You want to go for any of them. So like you're making your tea in the morning in your teacup, just go ahead and put your tea back in your teacup, add some boiled water in there, allow the tea to soak up. You see the dark green color is coming out. That is how you know your tea bag is infused and you're actually getting the benefits from the tea once you do it this way. So make sure it is really dark yellow greenish, like you see the dark greenish color. That is when you know it is okay. Then you want to go ahead and pour some of the juice you blended in there. So pour some of it in there and enjoy. Yeah, so depending on you, you can do this for 1 week, 3 days intensively. If you are putting the quantity I put, you can do for 3 days. For a week, you want to do little measurements depending on your start. But me, I am used to this, so I just consume this for like 3 days and it does magic to me. So throughout the day, I make my tea like 3 times a day, consume, and this takes your tummy down because you flush everything all out. Everything will be pooped out and you have your tummy all down. Plus it is very yummy and healthy. These are my recipes I go for to always have my tummy down. This burns your fat like in no time. It burns your fat like crazy in no time. So you want to try this. Pass the recipe on to your family and friends. Come back and tell me how you feel about it, and I will see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.